Ye oba, butai ben kurane si weni so. Ye monko. Suku ko biana, ejuma ye biana. Ye monko. Uonim diebi, na se wo pesa wo di bwa omenyi. Ye monko. Se wo kunu soma wonya, ema wa be mumo. Ye monko. Shia mami ye buesi edu. Onina pamfuo. Ye monko. Onadum FM. Obema wefu to pay. Obema ukranshe. Obema weni daso. My Bo Nkommo. Oba papa wo yana o. Bo Nkommo. Oh, a good woman is priceless. Bo Nkommo. If you educate a woman, you educate a nation.
Bo Nkommo, ye be Bo Nkommo, ye di Nkommo, ya re Nkommo, ya no Nkommo. Ye be wie ne Nkommo bia e hye wadwen mu de wo wutiri mu. De to de bia na be gina wo tekre maso e wo mu na be gina wadwen mu. Unyanka wo ne obi de bedi hu Nkommo. Unyanka wo ne obi ebe susu hu. Na so aso a wo te ye no to de bia na nyon no na nka unyanya nka te ye. Ano a kan bi no unyanya nka nyon no na kan bi. Be bia ye kire mu koduru ye no unyanya nka nru ho no musa. Eno nti na sabri ya na me ma kwan se enne wo ne me yentwetwe Nkommo ye ni Nkommo na nioma bia ye twagu no ye nyina ye ntimi susu ho ye bewie ne wanya wo de na me so metimi enya mete ena akwa ye Tuesday idea me ka kire se enne the first time maybe I what tune in na me ka kire se enne every Tuesday bia 8:30 pepe ne ye hyiam ha e wo ye Bo Nkommo so ye bedi Nkommo no Nkommo are Nkommo ne ye di Nkommo ye bewie na de wo hia bia wo koma etimi ato yam ensem bebre na ye Tony Patrim, Titri Wabu Honma was mammy, Pessami Cosco, Miku Mamenko, but Bema Bisa Waba, no Quasemuni, and somewhere Hammy Power, Mawari, Minya will be Canchano. If it's a mayere, and the Awade Yaman and Miko Kanko Bibacasa Sabi me dry, Ebina Mitia Wadiana, since Wuhan, why di Nasuna Sambina, and Geno. I don't make out your Sasmesi. Benyatana see the young Nkommo, Yen Nkommo. Now come intimate and toy, meeting your family, Lady Reverend. Ma me boys you do. Nano no bibusa send mommy pacho Lady Reverend I nickname ana pacho de be me a sofo me ordained minister of God. Enti me mo akwaba Amwajo Ediba Jumedi so baby we are nyina every part of the world so Japan, Korea, America, China, Spain, Italy, baby bia UK, France, so Belgium, Germany, Austria, Australia, baby bia Nigeria, South Africa, mema bia kwaba ede wo ba yemo Nkommo Ghana ha no mo de sabre ade asanti ye be ka se yemo mu nyina jo ede ba yemo Nkommo so ai ene mo chia me ne mo somfo Lady Reverend Mami Ebosidu and then the Majimeja Ewa Hanomono. Na Mesaka was a Yamia Dumana Jubia Yensha with the prayer train so na yam mompaye yen soon caught as a flying one nim and some baby see what prayer train so and that dear Yame Amaquine Sababy I will be my shining in my year and when he has all the befa with D4 so and when he has all the before so one casabit me a radianim if he say Job 8:5 was a one casa Yame Nessa Oko to Serenwa so nessa what's near Sarah this wadakura will be Kenyan woman. Nessa was sister was say Kumambua. Where we be kukuru to make catch how much of boss as me baby I will be a bombardier say will be share me over the prayer train so one Instagram AM the official Reverend Gold, our Instagram and Facebook and so the prayer train with Reverend Gold bomodi as obi hia me na yetimi edi Nkommo ene nyame adom me wo nipa mienu me nkrofo mienu masomfo mienu ha o ma no edin ye ai Addis Ababa waja wonim so no de ono onware nti ode na no tututu nsemu saa na wasorosoro no enso pratwe wa twe na no kra che se dai bi oso nyame na migina mbọ mpa ye ma no a ka se nka nyame de che egu ni ko enso sesi ade wo se wa sakra wo se wo sakraba o sakraba and son as of Mama Gianna and the son of Mama with swag who so no wo pento kwa gasa me who's of mama pento kwa sada ade ye na shi o keka na dwene e kolenim na je se bibia timi akoyi ena me ne omo na etwetwe nkomo ena ye topic I discuss wa ha yetitia obi de letter bi abreme obi de message abi o se mami mpatwa asem we kana me so mitimi nya ho we o se na wo sa wonya be 15 years na ne mama ne papa free mu ena papa bi so na sen eboa no na papa ne boa no te se na papa no o se sa abre na papa no ye bra enti on de hu no se bra na bra ne boa no a na edru ba bi no hu se papa ne pe no papa ne de no eko suku ono de ne call SS owie ye o se ko ye sen ko university anya yi na papa no e de ne esua adwuma emenne wa bi na adwuma kama no kwasem ni on do papa no na so tama wo SS ne ade nyina no hu se papa ne pe no first on hu no say ne bra na so hu sa fe du be na papa ne pe no ba na oni buafo bia enti na no so won hye dan nyi bia to bi kan na bagimi bre enti oye di papa ya boa ne nyina awie papa ne pe so ware no se mami me ndo bra no enso papa so say wa boa me ne de ono de me ndo no kra ono ne do ye enough beso ye mienu nyina enti se me ndo no ono obedo amayen ma odo no etimi agina na no na wo de to manim se wo se onware no wo bra wo no no ana se wonya no na onko nanim because wo se papa no de che se ase nani abri bia se wonya ne boni kura wo be ye bi enti girl no consider se ene mama me nware no saa na so de wo mu no se o se wo mpe no minim se sa ase wonya happen na afa wo miamia bebre emema bebre nso ho no no so bu ho kra wo hia wo baby fra brochire ne ba ye wo nyi oba no kra nyi chen na obu ho kra ye se mo na o se ne se madam me pewo no wetu atare no nim se ba me so benya visa free obenya brochire free enti didimu ana bia nipa na fa ne ne ko ne mo ko duru ho wia na afi ne woni aba ne ho se odo na odwen se wo no odo no eni ho no na ho ne yebusa se saadi we obi kan ya asemu ana odokra hu hia so obi kwa akọware odo hu hia se je se wado nipa na sa na yetimi atena ana odo nhede amata wo ku yedin ne kọware bible kra so ba de ayi na hu hia ahobrase na be man so ado eno ye one na obi be ka se na da bi ono no odo so by force papa no so said de wenyi adru yenti eti o ntimi nkwane nim konyo oba afofo chenchena nji se ge ya na o wana obi so said dabi na so we de kwase bu na onim se onno no ana na ho na minsu mimu mibusa wo a nso wo be ka se ge na bu ni kwase ane se hwan pa na ne maami ni ho ana ne one ne maami ne papa ni ho ana po de ne maami ne papa ho no mu ni bi na obi aso ni mu se wo boande ni kosku ana de ni kosu adwuma oba ka se menji na menji papa no be peminti menji why na be kasa ena me yada question so ne say eti brain so tam wo hwege ya wono a wo hwe ne ho a enye sika wo wa eti kana na ne ho ge ne ho yire ne ge eti ge di na chia wo de mana os brampa chomeda se nyina no se dey eti ho na obi so gina che no se hwe ma me pa de na aka ne sa on de papa de wa fa ne say ne size o gano den kura catch them young gano be nyina beto abi hu say yes oho ono a na e wa no na enye odo no nso ntia kono kura kono so oni abusua a o disi sika ne kwa akobua no na ma pesa dodo obua ni wiasa na o sin me no eni ade obi so say emema hebi na munya ade moka na me hwa ade ni di na me se da bi wo de wo ho wa wutie mi wo ho wo so de wo nim de wo nyansa wo nisem we yi wo bete ne tekura enti meto ama na se si ade me fama me studio guest so of my mission wo hanom adisa na ho te sen aya me bodi an konfo bi se wo fe wa adiza pacho ni di na nya adisa baba na me metwa so me ko na me fe na adisa enti wo te se ka na adisa ye me enu ntia pacho enye adiza ti hwe no one friend adiza ema ankoda ne mujasem na yenkoye bibi abako de na I know bibu sase me musa se wanya biana corona corona branching corona ka wo me jewa se obi se bia woni minti enka be kasi aware se bia oba wo be ware no ne omo omo mbuami
wasem de esu ton yare na onye nwu
omo mo say de e ma mepe ah obeso bi mepe o
ni ebeba bia
okoshini sansani okoshini sansani sisiafo upe oba bepe na dachi unsu kodru abrochire wa aka che oba ne say na okra na wo sheda you were not in tune with your feelings.
Yes, na me pe a kire na mom no wa si abrochire fo wo style bi o mo use introduce mo brofo no
enti me introduce you bi na enti guess ya Joyce no mo ne afia no mo ne ayi no mo ne ade ade bia no mo woda mpam kura kwadwa peje timi ka jem sama ka cha design baba say ye course na adwa no o ma me so ntimi na kakra bi ni nyina go say Bibia ni wa beka yanku yani so mama bibia boko de boy oju so smart o be ya na obi adwen say oh brown say odi obi a be ba cho Addis Ababa o mpana fo mako 5 de bia me ni omoko guess ni nye serious o no so nye serious entia
Madam focus me wa down for. I guess listeners kura mo ya madam.
And I'm say girls ni nye serious. And I want so nye serious. In other words, hope obi o serious. How. Yanko yeni. So man bibia boko ni. Ebusuan boko. So fo ne kwala ni nyina. Nyame so nhyira wo se dance da bia beta echi. So fo me ye hwe. Ye nyina yenim se sanse mo ya tia. Easy. Say o baby ebia onimwa na oye young woman na obi ba beboa na obetimi atene nipa no down so easy sa ana say obeka se bia dachi me de me nware unti so person de mi kosko amenko me de dachi me nware unti person de mi sua adwuma me nsua me de me nware unti dachi o person wo twa ticket ma me kwa brochira me de me nko na dachi mi wakesa na de me kwa brochira nti nipa ba ko pa me nim no Bible mu Abraham was one person ohimbi ebe boa no na dachi nyame hira na wakasa ono na oboa no ono pe na menim apart from that the me na menim me ho say me so me good ame musa easy say obi be kasa obi be turning favors be down just because of Elisa on Donipa no
Mami da si nyame sha bebre michia eye yetiefo nyina ene Bishop Alfred Anderson ene pisum emma nyina michia obi bia samre
na mami musa na anu ya ye bia sorry omo bai
ye nhyase
mo nhyase
ya maye si ne be ya infection bia
na se se ayen start tight ni ade no eba
nyame adom omo ti ase ne de
eba but somo de
adom
ti se first no
adom ya ye edwuma so kakra
ti mo hye dan ni house asofo ene no je asofo amu ni edwuma yi mo go pa edwuma ana asofo ma me fo amu ti fie mo pa bibi nye ni ekoye ni yo so mama mi ti o
mama make say easy because me muanku odonku aware nso enku gratitude nso another thing enti se sanyama we ye ka se ye hwemu ania edimu hini odo se odo eni ho a emua na wodi ye nipa ne se me bua we wie na masan aware on condition ne de eno de me say menye menye because ebia na odo bia eni ho edi ma saa be ma no ana say ebia saa be ma ne enye obi baka say me life partner anyame ahihye bia ma me
ana nye obi a wo pen
emua nti no makọ akokoto saa nipa ne ensem say wo boa me nti na ne na me kọ akoto aware you will never be satisfied wonye happy when you enjida tempia no hu say bibi lucky between the two of you there will be no connection emba enti wuti ho a afi wakoko show before no say say ni pain ma worry out of gratitude adipepia nipa ne yema me enenti no na megina so say mini nipa ne kwa akwari but emwanko ena odonku na aware enso enkumitimi ngina
de wo kan eno ye said ye wo assume anase emwanko anase eye wo a wo ye matured.
Yes.
Okay. Na say wo matured woman say one ebe bo by this time.
Mammy, be a mean Tony Pano. Me say be craft and I miss so not me my kotosa situation.
But do you feel say I am a young women and as a young man omo ehiamwa I na omo ye in tune with their feelings? Are they able to decipher between odo say be a papa mo or de boa me aware ntina o boa me ntia ne me mpene so ana ma me mpene so ana say moi na yehwe emema he ana emema ne tai boa nti de ma mfa mema emema he na omo boa ma ana omo boa mema bia o emma he na boa mema bia omo be ka che o se me pese me ware nti na me boa
na me bebre na nim bebre na onim say ade anipa yi eye amami ne end result anania ope eye say ebia one ne beda ana say obe hye ne kiti say ene na emo amaboa wenti no ye nware se ne be ya enkoba ne say maye edwumayesi a eni aketua bia enti no ope na aketua enti ne ene na emo na oboa no ebi muka meboa meware o obepene but ehọ no aya na nipa bebe fi say oh mamenye so smart na menji emoano meji emoane wi afi in the latter part ne metumi eja nipa na siwa na semede na akwan so ebetua me kwan eso na so nipa ne ni abre nso na ne ni ayeden ne ni abre nti edru ho na it is up to wu nipa ne so be make a concrete decision say enya moana wo bua me nti no ena wo be pemi sebio eni mi aba be ye bibi daache
but so my muso asamba ko na makwa Addis Ababa ho ye hwe in a day na say you know in the dispensation ya womu nipa he ena mbutimi asigina ya se kire won se aka kire be me bia na wo ba bi say mepe wo ne mu mpe na mepe wo no because of say me be pesa me do ko school ana me pesa me boa wo me teton yo ma bi ma ho ibi adwuma bi ama ho me de ukosua adwuma na se me pe waware wontia na ye nipa he eno sabre no timi sigina he hu say indeed opeme me so me pe ntina yenko ntina meji ba me pe odi ameji do you feel say asem na waka no does it even make sense will anybody do that open moi na wunya moa wugina ho ifefefe na we ka hips wudi nam tema street so koba moa bia ni ho na wo bi boga bi ehu no so so oba beboa wa wo be ka se boga wo be pese oboa me but me de wo betimi aboa me pese abroche kwade me koba me da chi me mpelti ma me nam street so sa wo so meto wobre me ho fa nante sa na obia emem
mami enye easy inti obi born no say aho kire wo enye de na wakoso bi ahwe a true sad emre na eye tin say you make a proper decision obi wo ha ohwe nechi na ohwe bebi ofiri no hu say senya wo ka say emoa bi ani ho na ne o pre anase o di ahomfi be ka say obeji sa emoa na
amemenefe
be ka say
o ka sa ahomfi dia wo ko me fufu
amemenefe be ka say obeji sa emoa na ayeden atum na so samre ne so eye emre bi a ewo so wutumi esigina ye say me kwa akoto sa amane animu ana say mia me pre akwa kwesi se ewurade bedom me aye me emoa bi daachi enye ni saadia ene na twa na abekokoto sa amane animu se nipa ne echire no ono ebeye bibi as a result of emoa na ode aboa wo enne no na so media between say eni say ebanesa messages kakane mampacho we are live on Facebook as well and say baby I will be able to me connecting we betima for new bi so no wetimi etibi so asem we it cuts across affecting nipa bibre me bitimi fe ma me pese me kobodua gabi ebu mi kwase pese me kobonidua ma ni bi so say ma papa anya hwe abone so nya hwe ma fa be ma bi de na ba betena brochire ha me ne nya wo beduru ha na afi ne hu se me kura me hu nya fe afi ne hu se me yakosoro kobo afi no pese o jame ti ma me de dua bo na me kwa akobon e ho na ye busa ne ahwe se aya na krofo no mo ye right and say otherwise na ye hwe se nipa ben na so hia mo a obetimi refuse mo a e bia obi e de bre no sansem sa ne ye dwendwendwen ho ma me ya afosua o se mami really like you keke please where is Danswate go Danswate say our iran system o ye ni baby a wo she ai o ni fie na say mo no say o UK
Meaning say when you lockdown no be so Ghana how nobody knows. Watching you live from Italy. Nyame Blay, okay. And Sammy Brown, or say I'm watching you live from Mataiko. Keep in up and keep it up, okay. Keep it up. You miss we have Nyame Shao. And Anna Apiedu men was a good evening, mommy. Live from Netherlands, okay. Miss Vita Nyame Shao Papa. Cynthia Senyo Nyenko. I say watching you live from Domi Pillar 2. Okay, Miss Wihad. Jama Pom Junction. Pom Junction. Oda nsyo nani anasa oda hinfa. Wana Addis Ababa tinti. You say nsyo afamupa Livingston Asare. I say I like this program Papa sa. I say Adom FM. Yeah tough bruta. And Ajwa Fanny. I say Mommy Gold, I'm watching you live from Bronx, New York. Or say, I know today too is gonna be wow. Obviously, my darling. And then you may so part your prayer training. So, Momadi Abraham, never bomb by the 12 midnight. Official. Official, me didn't go them. The prayer train, Facebook, the prayer train with Reverend Mommy Gold. And Instagram, official Reverend Dabi, my sister. Yeah, my sister, Grandma Murray. The official Reverend Gold. The official Reverend Gold. Me ame telebiana mi refi. Mebo. Hello, mommy. I hail that joy and the day no so bye. And Elvina Asamoah say hello, mommy. And Elvina now say I'm enjoying the prayer train. Okay, we thank God. And sparking Adeneyo Mensa say watching you live from Winneba. Okay. And Tano Jones also watching you live from Tain District. Tain District Hospital in Soko. All right, keep your messages coming as time goes on. Remember, make Addis Ababa Hwaba. Nemo make I will say, Bo Nkommo, Susie Herbal Center for woman and told me in say we are Bema, ye Robert to Bemem, and I say, would you saw na more pie me, you know, would you saw any mushy show, be who I just watching pa, and Sana Johnson about Pacho, Bomodi and Sobokoto, CB men capsules and away or banswa buano aseke ka buano ase was sent buano nyoma sheda nko yi ukun kakrebi anu adwane agya ogye so hwehwe no na ade na bane ade buhon mo ne kun hia kakrebi na ade na yi na gye se hwehwe gye se wo mu se yenu akuma period mum na so eno so kire wo se wo so omodin asa bokokope CB women capsule yenu akuma so mum buhon ne kun hia kakrebi na ade ayi na gye se hwehwe tubo se wa maba ma juma na papa yi tonro na wo sa no opunu enso ebia na wo na wanya problem wa sinti e ho ebie dudu ena enso wan hwe ni ye nti wa ma papa ye feel say ne be ma ni sa ena papa ye nam no open ro da bia sa obi say rev me so for but say we eni o man comfortable ba obi be ho no ma obeka na asem nyina so na oba na ase ne so enti pa cho bomodi akoto women CB women capsules na fa you na use na ade na enti minya fan say de be ya okun say de otie bia Oma papa ye chinchin sa wo punu na wo tua na wo sa. Oma papa ye ha. Enso wa de na ye yi. Menye sa. Mama ko Addis Ababa so. Addisa. Last time na o ka che me say upo baby no be fa okra de wa kwa kwotena brochiri. Na wa hwe kakra because who say Ghana habra bono de be ya na yi. O kan wi ya na the following week na corona yi. Ye lock it down ya. Be see me enya kra so. Echiche fia borders kra ya tutumu. Ye hwe. And nipa. And as obi ko momwa obeka say da che me nware wonti. Menchi, what you say?
Reverend, me that's it. Lady or Timmy, Akuba, National Identification for Asema Miki, and yeah, me only Miss.
Now, so pen Crawford, Bodo,
Mammy Chan.
Oh, Jai, what you had here? I did walk over in Guanaco, obey me, I be see you. In program, but on me, my issue disclaimer. Young Bo Nkommo is added.
Oh, Asemi. Seriously, my anchor reality. Even a Juma, Ube pay Juma, Ubia, Oshi Juma, 1 year Juma. You catch us where Juma 7 days crowd on June. You saw rim because at that point, no,
okay, Juma,
sir, at that particular time na eyi esofo mame kanu some way meaning nyadwi reverend and to da at that time I was doing say you free you even neolithic age ya twa eyi ya ka we say it's say 21st century looking nyama bebre asisa obi ape opportunity obi ape moa and obi anso hia moa at the particular time na wo hia moa no obi a odi beba bia no
obeji
nipa no ho nya fe kro
your person chen say insufin bia dumja
of course
okay
me na na e ka say
insufin bia wo de agujam amaja na aso adere de
me na na e ka ye say eyi e komba enya duane bia na edi na me say no atwem
okay
wow inti at that time no uhia moa if you should say no where do you get it
okay
you've been looking for something for some time dia nimba adie yankwaye no bi so
me dey say obe professor obe nante ho fa mo akọ
ma yanka no kre kromu ha esi abontin sisia so for mama tuna ne yentia tuna
say so for no so for fa no sa
oh so for bishop and the
ga we man ware ne ntema wa hwe ade besi wo tema bro no so anya de papa
endie no kre wan befa endie asemi nti sa time no me sister me bra opportunity ba once enku na ade no so se wanya obeka enti wo de agitum mo ye to a point no etimi ba se niam asisa amba wow ye budi mu anu so ebua wo no fasha wa adwen mo se butanti a papa ya na mama ye we no eni minimum assembly man bia odi papa bi senior bi eko legon ma ni wie a me senior ne hu yes yo sisia wa ye den wa level awie o cha assembly woman no nti o yin woman no esinche ma me nsunya eyi abagina sa hospital wo suru ha sa na mo je ni mu wan ehesa embua nti wonim si obi ani ho obeye investment sa o David investment free David nipa na shawase tie wo hia de no how do you survive where does it come from
you know say kwako you are faking that life
tubu faking dia fatu nchen first thing first ewiase ya first o debi tubu
enu na ma nipa bebre
nipa no entina tie asem na me kan yesi fa hye wa adwemu si enye se oba be boka hu
ba ya hwe
nipa na mba se obeboka hu no
ya hwe say dem can do you feel say at that time ayana nipa bebre aware say papa we me mpeno na impo papa no pe me ma me mu say bia me hiamwa me young person be ba be boa me ayan do you feel say at the age of Evia 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, what even say 23, do you feel say I have decided and I say my dream when say this is the man I'm a person in bobra me amwa and papa be abano say raba hu me fe na wo ye den na mama e na obi amwa me na metima me bi nche no say na be say na me fa nkosko na me do be kosko say de otie na ma ware nipa yin obaka say na me mpre
nipa bebre
reverend
ebi kra na ebi kra na nipa no ye hwe age wise crop obi ne bia ne papa size ana say obia
na ne papa size nti papa so wanya nyansa kakra
obetumi
want me nya papa
with no strings attached
onu condition on the buy
but then
one after the other
the condition the buy ni say oboa no mami
bani pa bebre na kan
ema bebre wo ho no ma wo hu mami you can still work with your hands
so hands na wo kan no ya dia
pause kakra wo dey school no pause kakra ana say twen kakra
da bi school no dey nipa no ko buy no e bia why full stop enya pause wo buy no why full stop there was no help enti ebu okra na bia wotiti obi nchen and I say, "We juma or chop baby." That's why you are very beautiful.
I believe
and if you are the
God will definitely make a way.
Nanya making a way, Nanya Papa.
Making a way will not be a way. I said you would you need Pediabe to Yasoka.
That be sent now Nippon who here we now say. Meant to be family Pediantia.
Mamma said, in your divine say, or we know where.
And it is on your penny pass
what dada Nippano. What dad?
Any papa no no better now. Bible say me na papa ya hono wan dia na.
E ho na duabone ebe mu no.
Papa
na manfo de show wo yem. Wonu be kofo bebre enam but oyi bibia woni wiase a enye yie simply because sebi enu na webu obi kwasea. Na sa kwasea bu no so betua na brabo so. Atua so. Enti ene no wo ye biribi adwene e kira ko menwene enko a. Wo pedi nti menwene enko a.
Yes, so for me. Wafa dey wake up. Papa enti nipa anya papa wo wiase. Adiza. Message of mama because of mama uza so ye holier than that Adiza.
Asemi. Aso mo message.
What dey change on the comment ayi. Mama nya buta me come messages. Hey.
Adiza baba you are one.
Mami Afusia or say watching you live from a sinful soul. Or say I'm Belinda. I can't do away without Mami Gold. Hey, me pacho you nyango pomo. Na me ye me side chick. Why? And no mumu ye mo and me boma pumpem. And Pastor Mario or say just passing through. Good night. Hey, sofu. Adom. Good night, my dear. Good evening. Good night is no you that them one mobile more die and every good night the point Mami Gold Papa B or say you are too much. Oh Mariana Sante was you too much. Maxwell Mate or say good evening Mami Gold. I'm watching you live from Tema. I like your program so much. God bless you. God bless you too my darling. And Richard Amwa or say Mami watching you live from Cape Coast UCC and then Pro. All right. Proud. Dina nam de mabon. Mami Ajewa also thanks for your program, Mami Gold. Thank you, my darling. And John O or say it's like what? A question and I say ubidi. Okay. And Mohammed Ibrahim Al Hassan. Hey, good evening, Adom FM transmitter. I watching this video part of this night. I wish you all the best regards to which I transmitter no okay. Thank you. Gbadago Divine. Was a good evening. Watching you live at Abekala Pines. Okay, my darling. And Hayford said, Lady Reverend, Mami Gold, your son and regular listener, Hayford, okay, Hayford the J Ofori is here listening and watching you live as usual from Achimesiakwa. You are Achimesiakwa for Yachamo Papa and Moma Hima. Nana. Nana didn't call me Nana Kwaiwa, okay. Nana Kwaiwa, she's my friend. And Nyame something. Nyame Blay or say, in the first place, what was his intention of helping the lady? And if it is love, then he should have let the lady know from the beginning. If she agreed, fine. Then if she would know that it's because of love, that's why he's helping. But the thing is that maybe problem with honum no say. I told the be anya de be ana obi honuma. Ebu hokra nipa no oye minor. And ade ba ko we say constant change. Which ya obi a bu hokra tama ho so nya obi a no kra na o feel say wo do nipa no. And obi honuma na no na of my make say the boyfriend be of anu pa na ohwe boy ni na ho kotwa bi ni ade o say as I brace one was soon. Now, what boy, love me. And all boy, by neck on what done is soft for us and done is of mammy. No one was a Wawari bishop. No, Quaya, no, didn't ya. Now, boy, church and one say, we are boy or boy, we are boy. And I feel no idea when you did. I thought if your baby one matter, or be kind. Or be a young. Paul said to Mammy son, me a mother to Sakola. onyi a hoye wa de penny eti bi osano na won hye de nim se papa no kro pen ana won pen ba onyi he adwan sesa ti so does it mean say bia papa bi ba be pen no ye young lady na wonim wa bia na ukra na wonim hwe no wani ba na hu se papa kra se ne sini dodo matu ana se bia hwe ade na hu se de papa wanyi dodo ana se papa kra bi kra o ye sterile ana se bia wa woni mamu me pese me ne second wife ba obo am ye nti na ensa mkoto so na bi Adisa yan hwe ese ebia yan fa ne so okay nipa no ebia ode wetu kwan ana wa ye bibi di amount ode wa ko school ode wa sua adwuma e dey na abetimi di aye e be compensating for the pain because one dey say nothing will compensate him ana so ebu ha ma mo me ma kra de motai da dankofo ode wa ko dura bro kire wie no na afi no wa hye da adwane free one state akọ the other especially say Schengen na feel be catch and say you know kwasem you are very sorry you open us but untimi nyesa watching you live from SA nice topic Prince Chumberma there na obey to compensate for it and Mary Ameyaw or no so the film Missouri you say watching you live from Missouri nyame Ishramon so I hope say see ade mo yi na conform kakra gidi no na do George Floyd and Samunonti. Now, if I be brave, Gifty or say Baffo. Also, my favorite program. God bless you, Rev. God bless you, my darling. Samuel Bote was a Mommy Gold. You are live in the USA, Denver, Colorado, USA. Okay, yeah, that's in Yamisha. Akosia Getty, also good evening, mommy. Nice topic. Good work. This issue is going on. Akosia the Ficophobia and the bar. Adisa, yeah, in the course of nipa no help na ode boa na say school say juma say akwantu ni ade a emo na bia wa hu say won do no what then do you have to do now here
asemi de masema na wakan intima me mfamfa mu preko
ka enkobo obi adi o de
mi masem na wakan
wo bonko fodi sa na program ukobo obi di na be si umi a me hu afiri mo kwa koda atwe awo hu nti hu ade a wo pin
me masem na wakan but me I think say communication is everything. Assembly or Amintimin Kamika or Mekas Minipa Boni and ye and I we are soon. Yenina obi ebo from beginning. It is obi ncha kolanyami. Virgin walkway obi anchire how to ye. Enti from the beginning nipa ni shase no wa ube.
Ba ma me show e dey nti na ebia nipa no ebia obai ebia kura na begin obai na open. E dey na beba as you move on abeka say maami we wo boa me ode me to ode me atukwan ode me akọ school ode me asua adwuma wa ma me sika se me fanya business but yet me pɛ no na we dey me ntimi nware no e dey ntia said e be ya obi ani beba ne ho so especially man boy
ade ani say one ebia you look at mo status level ade baako say oba odi wa tukwan no ebia mo kɔ ho no obi a wonim no ebia suban no wo so wonti se me you can be able to cope with the person ebia suban na wo mpe so we be ma
wo you can cope with every situation.
Oh yes me na me di me ho akɔhyem ni amedi me tri akɔhyem
until you are pretending on every idea
say I come 2 months na my free
nipa na one ne wo ho no
I say ho reverend me cause me say I come 2
ba join the mo the application ba ma me janche ba to wa wo ti baby say so pa this men feel when you be papa bia wunya obi papa bia it was said na order down na so any ba o say ampo guy this can 2 months it may train 2 months I'm going to contact him how crofo wo ne draw so Adisa omo never
Debbie ade ne say nyama bebre ti say ba kwa me ka bia wako hu si suban no Debbie wontimi me
suban die na wo hu a wontimi
bia nipa no wo say obia ni temperament ni upbringing ni behavior
mannerisms
mannerisms and you brofo bia wo so wo mpe any would you know you disagree on a lot of things any idea and you so one ebia uko hu yes no ni amini no wo hoi ebia mimi nyini ba no obatuntum any me taste when so your back and you mean a mass
now one the end up so can no more mobile dream ho no baby o de befa o ye na ye yi na ni o kotonku bi start apo no guzo me ba tell ha on kopo na lisa babo
kopo e po atwem any is to age ko intino enu any ade ba okay e bia ukoye no ukosha obi a woni no kra ahia obi a eyi your definition of a wife woni mu as compared to nia woni ne wo ho and then your obua o na ebi nso a wakodu ho no minim peni bia obi apagya no oware no na okọ aso free wa be ye peni wo wiase eye ma na wo ma oba bia obesisa ne bia ne ma ne level different level e bia we no owa ha ba obi a wakọhia no wa ma another opportunity into mpenifuo mu and higher
that's a network you
thank you
okay
wow enti e be sa no we be compare the two see baby I manya yi should I be loyal and now say I should just try to compensate the person with maybe a sikabia or pebia now with any property.
But would it be fair? Would it be fair? Say you should say bia.
It will never be fair. Intina make us say.
Utieti ane so na odi enya baby papa.
Thank you.
O felicite say enya baby papa so let me just go.
In life,
Never.
Obia kope juma ya see a experience man. When in training number experience, there are always stepping stones.
Not in relationship.
It is person say
not in relationship.
There are also
it is person say relationship nyina no. E experience. It you need you yan obi na dey na experience.
There be enya kwesi abu.
Adisa, if you are in episode dia say.
Why na bebu no?
Adisa, if you are in episode dia say.
Oh, they already made in 95.
95
man chakura made
with experience now person nya na anyway what time 45
but asema meka say obia there is always a stepping stone obi moving from one place to another there is one thing we should also yintina meka say communication any asem no me no menim sia once amehu say obua me no I should also have a way to compensate you
okay
and yeah me hu si bua na obua
me no kan no o say onimpa say
ni tena just wo dia no e fo tirim say moa e na akwaji
bibi nchiro mami
ba so mami de kan no e
kola nyame
because ono no o kan no kra ne say obi ho han ma na just ono o hia nipa no onim say ba o mes mintimi ntina fa ko e na mo bi so no bi enim dua so na honwan hu enti ono so
ono no onim nipa ni intention pepepe but obe pretend
no
na wanam ho saa ade age mo ana
ba so mama ehwe so obi so honum kra timi ko say me ko pretend no akodo nipa
no be ma timi ka me ko twa me ho no akodo
enu so wo is the condition whereby nipa ni say me say me bua o
na me worry o yes so you understand from the beginning
but this about person kira wo say so mama Adisa baba person yourself and how one who no why confused.
He doesn't asemna me can say. Why shall be sana who say you know. Eh kasa nipa si on timia but in another hand so no it's so be antiase say. Bibia timi si wo wiase. Say be mu si wo free mu e. Ana wo sebi wo ana so bibia.
So wo dia any aboye nyina.
Well, e ban so si wo yira.
Oh, yeah, you timi yira, no timi yira.
Obi ko abro chire timi yira.
O yira o kwen.
Lost and found.
O
yira e be hu.
Obi timi yira. We should infantry adwemo si. Obi spend wo so a for a reason. Asema me kan you.
Ade wo di be ye obi a enye pani de.
Entina me ka timi mfa boni. Asema na me kan si. Obi a obo obi a.
Ye de ye wa anya wo de.
Wa ye bua no. So for mama asema me ka si. Sa wo bua me indirectly no. Asema interest ye ndwe ho si.
For Sabre, so mommy patch. Yeah, so mommy.
So I should stay with that reason.
Munya into kwano. I so mommy can okay, yeah,
you should tell me the reason.
So mommy me busa.
I'm not pretending.
So mommy, eh ma kun kakra me busa say. Said ya menene kan sa na husu me busa. Nipa nipa. Nipa nyina na ya we say Sabre papa yi mami o ma me opportunity. Ebi atama wo bo me fa se wo a obi boa wa obviously obi any honom I am here to see is obi otesa se onyam wa bia na bra bia ba so obeboa no beka say daachi mempewunti menje nwa obi any but here along the line bia wani ba ho so se nipa no pe what do you do
enu na eye din no enu na eye ya enu na akoba ne si ya chichiri wonsa egu wachi anase ya chichiri onan ne wonsa nyina de oyin na wo de kwakosane ahoma no mana ayeye
enti ene obeja sa
wedru baby a chese decision no ubedemu sa kosi uwo mu
enti menje kra
tinemu sa enti eye better sa wonje kra
so for my
sanya be ya china no won kwa regret ebia no wakohia ne awodo no bro
ubefa hina
na baby abia shano said one na mo ya za baby ane na mo ya o ti enjoy to ya and go use o ma ni baba ko be so mu na bo a wona ka ko wani ma ka no nyenye se
oni ma duma ma fu ayo
ebe wi eche na ka wa po yanko
it's not easy into ube share sisi ka hona
life nanka
Mama me
better than live and die.
Eric Yabua said, good evening. I'm watching you live from Spain. Eric Nyamisha. And Mami Ewudziwa. Awesome, Mama. I love you so much. I love you too, my darling. And Richard Opoku was live from Germany, Munster. Okay. And Olivia Enima also God's grace. I was a Reverend Mommy Gold. Good evening. I love your program. Thanks. I love you too, darling. And Amabwediwa was say good evening, Rev. God bless you for the good work. God bless you at Adom FM and you. Nyame Isha. Hey, we know Mama Tizis and Nadia Mama Tizis. Watching you live from Birmingham, okay, why are there UK, yeah, they already say, and then this Nisha. And Nyami Blay was helping someone. That's not me, he should take advantage of her.
Yes.
It's
true.
Who never bush you for money, Papa? One of the Nico school. Eunice Obin, Mommy Gold, I think the gratitude of the help should signal you that the person loves you. Hey, and I said the person loves you. I say, one penny pana, you can't say me pay for one yo, yeah, yes, you will be anyone chili for Obeka say, and penny for bube, yes, you will be anyone Obeka say for Sempa, a codo. Be anyone, what do I dear Papa Obeka say for
better days.
Adom all the way. Bacho, Adom all the way. This is Mauli from Volta region. All right, Mauli Nyamisha. Nanaba is Assem from Italy. Modena. Assem. Your person sends the way Assempa. Theresa Collins was a help comes first. Then later you decide what to do. Theresa saying, I say, a mini maybe help comes first, then you decide what to do.
Seek first the kingdom of God.
Hey, and find your some messages nonsense now. Watching you, watching you live from Achim Asaf. Hey, dog and thieves. Watching you from Achim Asaf. Mommy, boy, you are too much. If you don't, I say, if you don't love someone, don't correct. So by ya mo bia kasa timasa for your bro for your dey don't correct anything from him. Don't collect, say dey correct. Obebo ubo asante bank ya me. I say dey correct. Don't collect. Obe ya mo bia kasa achim for. Yeah near high agent. I don't know say. God bless you. God bless you. Planes. Abraham. So I say, I'm really loving this program. What is the problem? Hey, Randy, you're going anywhere. And Ghana Judas, I say, what's up? What's up, mommy? What's up, guy? Evelyn Otu. Time now, okay. Evelyn Otu, I say, watching you face to face. For the first time, you are so beautiful. I love you a lot from London. All right, my darling. I love you too, my darling. And Felix Bell Doha, or say Bo Nkommo, very interesting program. Bless you, Mama. God bless you. And Glorious Pachawamikawi. Glorious Amakarisma, my daughter. Osi, please don't forget to join us on the prayer train on Facebook. The prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold or Facebook. My daughter Nyami Winshira Papa and Abraham Jokoto. Oku Jeto. Hey, I'm so abresano. Me answer me a chimney. Also watching you live from Asham Zain. Okay, Nyami Sham Papa. But just abre frame and also can be bicham. It's awesome way a problem a cuts across the baby obi pel. Maybe because you are not in tune with your feelings at that time for the person. And you probably no customer say, we are confused until you don't really know what you want. The only thing you know, say you don't like your current situation, so you want out of it. So if somebody comes to help you, and just happen, I bet you want to and say, I'm deciding whether or not I love you because nipa no no abasa obebo na you are the work school. To one because they decide if you love me or not. Love doesn't just happen like that. It is happening for me and so tell me why you na call. Number no 0302216561 and 0302216562 frame na yendi nkomo pacho frame na wadwom radio no ama me kra na wakasa boko obi said this is true. It has been going on. If someone wants to help you, let the person know if you don't love him or her so that the person will really help you if he wants to. But the truth is that I still stand by it. Will be baby boy unim wapa nipa bia ojina yi ansa na hu se okra se we guy o tell bia wo baby aja nipa hu to po bi ni wa mama bi ni osi bi asa bi ti wa kran na any position u peja wi enya baby jina ansa na hu se say me level ni na wo senye afa na abeka kire obi oba be boa say me pewa na me pe obi try reject obi say rev every woman needs a man to help him or finance her education. Know that the man behind the business is something. Hello.
Hello,
yes, me ben papa to first and I say
papa Ken ko se face go.
Yo came about to mami tio kakawai.
Asem mum dem I said na say moment me said any interest.
Oh, but asem na ne say e obi ehia o ne bia wo boa wo na nipa no pese o ware wo o ware wo e bia wa boa wo but won share dan pe no e wo at the tail end near there. What do you do? But what the enkoso kamasem so you are only interested to be heading. Hello. Yeah, me ben papa che first and aka say free.
Yes, I'm anka to the show doko.
Anka to ba just so itan pan so na pro minimum kakra ne anka say.
Okay.
All right, anka to.
Amen.
But your mammy tea and some say no. No say so be pewa. Na wo koboa obi a say so ba na gitum so be ware wan san na waboa no ana you know say
my jani say so gitum because agreement I saw gitum say be ware wan san waboa no
tonight said the tenancy agreement no
no
or sign san no akoboa no
no e wo mwa yankopon mwa wo fiwa kuma wo bo ne ba no na so mwa wo pe bibie fi ne pa no ho nti wo de o hweto da
bo we dey in free wakumem
we dey in free makom me ya bo no say adaye free yankopon we nse me pese me wa no nti me bo no na da hwe no so o si ya yetimi abobra nti e agreement.
Okay.
Because I can't maybe a bit easy. Yeah, the way example, we bet me I should go to school, a ban school, say, and young level, no, a jano.
I send you be super cast one to your level, no Aquabuano.
And tell them,
you said your tea, there ye fine. And so I will be a year back catching a young girl who's a gay only moiety, or so do more kusio, now for the Ubuka Kotwasi. Yo, young to us, Uncle. Hello. Mr. Reverend Minister, good evening. May the good Lord strengthen you. I like the way you quote the Bible. Greetings to Adisa. Okay. Hey, Frederick Kusi. Yo, Frederick, yeah, say hello.
Hello. Good
evening. Good evening, Oba Patrick first and Nakasafin.
Patrick Mikasafin Klago.
Okasafin.
Clago.
Oba patcho sorry to on a problem. Unya corona dia. Oh, kasa free ayi. E dey center na.
Clago.
Aha, ti sorry to na pan so na yen kasa why?
Yo kasa.
Yo oba, you for saying?
Patcho me dia go.
You akoma minti o.
Me patcho near for mami kano me the same mistake. When music school, that was 2002, when our papa did Bama for school. He bought the form, everything, but now Yami, so many you'll be committed. I've regretted for not accepting that offer up to me, and it has cost me a lot.
It would be called school, no?
Man, today I'm go school.
And you no cry we mistake because why you be kun cry yes or babe boande. Ke sen ka wo yire ho na ka oji emboano. Na wo ko school. E ho no no say o yire dada. E di oni yire mpo na e. O yire dada to you say oh da. Oh menya nshamisa. O mi timi nya boni ntia wo soro ni asase. O yire pa eti ase na me san be ware waka ho. Ti hu ka aje emboano. Next time je emboano what?
Wa ka say obe ware ni ba e kan say o you be kun mi so itino. And a man said, "Oh,
I'm going to go back to Umpo."
Debbie. Yes, or stroking anything. So you'll be cool anyway.
Bow who said Papa no go now one copy.
Sir.
Now who said Papa no go bepe won?
Oh, better.
I dear, Mammy Musahu, I dare a wall or too soon. Unufu son, we are Ketua, 1 and 2 years, we are taking, we are bossing. And now we got bait. What a switch at me. Oh, I'm asking your Miss Auntie. Madame Papa. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Yeah, there are.
Monkomo Emede.
Yeah, that's so it's me about to be back first and I got a free.
Again, when you make a from Vancouver.
Are you a gentleman? I meet you, right?
Oh, my God,
Me that's
and then for the man that you
sa.
Oh, yes, but yeah, man, and my boy a mistake. So we started to say, oh, wow, if I could be on conscious of Pewa. That's all here, baby. I'm one or the fun one. You are, would you know who say?
So why would you now hear say morning he hear me?
May top anti-mount, may talk a ye from my mouth, and yeah, the old you know say.
Me dream who say me who say papa ni papa will we say.
And let's the papa not doing bonny woman not your papa so yet.
Aye, but where there or any papa. Oh, but we in pa. Tell them I do I dream as you said papa no. On God, I'll bet your man say papa jam or pebble.
Aye. Send me could you see I'm in which is every who has it. Mempe wa me fa me hwe ma.
Na je.
E ma no so no so we
are kwani ana.
Oje.
We are kwani ana.
O me asante ni pa me asante ma.
Na asante for dem kwa na mba bu beto den kra che obi kra na mu hu ne sra ho da.
Oje.
Yes. Oje. Me ba fa me da se nyame sha wati. Me da se pa. Ai. Hello, good evening, Obapa. The first and I got a friend. You all right. You batch of phone, no the one more bend do into chimbre check it to webina metimiati semni. Why? Okay, mammy too. You mammy too.
That's all. You can send me to my dinner.
Papa, me too, pa.
Let's so you're 36 years, you see. Na me see so no asem bisa esi makwe. But me e ma dwen say be ma se me pewa. Me ju bibia. Because na me sro echira sem. Me ma ni papa ni bi. Ti na me sro say me koji obi ade na me koji mwa ifi de ho.
Be asem.
Echira sem o ka so peme na me peme. Na me de befa.
No, no, my bands are now can contombre ni mekoni ade and say a dining cast ni ade.
Oh, we be do maybe crana. Said you to me papa or them. No, yes, campo vitia. And so now me slow send the quack catcher. Bear me so no be a bamaquem, sir.
Now, slow send the catcher and say, dear, you
dying a high into high dime.
But now, anywhere home, part of me was awesome. Now, anywhere, what
if I saw Debbie.
Now, ni ho.
Debbie.
And now, ni what the Albanese and how can say, Nami Susan,
like all approach me. Our Bammy Beno. aha nti ankasa time na nyia mo na kameti nya ka tenso e di ankasa nya na nyia e mo that time na nka mapeni na nka waboa mi
na ma sa bre na woni obi wo ho no mo de
ba to de bi
na woni obi na wo mfie say
na mi wo be say 21 years
okay and ba na nka papa ni pa kono ko be ware wa
na me hu se sa na ye ni intention
enti se si awaware
me ba to an
and se si ani pa
enti man pene amani pa no
e ma yetu
mi ko sia e be me ya ma ware me na ware sisi
e ma yetu papa ma papa ko da abonzin
etu yen
and enti mu ko da he
enti na ye ko ye ni se ye de nyama mama amanfo ayi wo ayanka se nya obi airport mu na ye dan kakrakra
alright
ko si se ye ko nya baby fufu enti na me no mi sro nia ebesi wait they say me penipe na me kwaje nwe
baba mama mi so ade wo sa bre na papa no aware ana
e va to de
na na de enti na wo mpe no because to da bi ama bi so ha mo ankwasa so mudu abu e de na enti na wo papa no ho ana wo mpe no me mpe no na ye de ni gira de so
me after that time na nkasa no me
confused
me concentrate on me nyama kakra na me ton and na said me masem a military at that time it's na then ma kwema
we obi kun ba na wan
no obi kun ba me a me mpeno na me emergency say dem ma oba ma kwema na me mpewa
onye ne hwe
me nji obi bia ni sa de ni say ma dream it's no matter what na or they I rejected everything.
Bana wo
to na dey anya courage to an can't am who say na me mo ami.
Bana wo to na dey say na wo to na dey.
Me ba to an.
Ite wo na ho nkire wo nkasa category no yanko yani. Na me sha wo pa. Obi say I support Osofumame I Honorable Brutus Baden was your support to Wankasa and Nana Entry Joseph was if you don't love the person don't go for his money. We are not talking about his money. Nipa debi wo no kwata mo ba ye no now you needed help. Who pe baby di utiato. Air conditions nipa ni pe baby ada. Papa beti mama baby ada na ho na kwase. Saf mami me am so ade. It is a papa no so kan je so pe but obeboa wo dia obeje. On can't just open. Adabio, when the air can in on can you? Yeah, go hello.
Hey,
Avo,
Mikrasio.
Oh, Miss me who you?
Nyami Adom yet not. Reverend Minister, Nyami Asun Green Cow, Number
Council,
Yadamasi, and Yadima Papa Muye. Maminchia. Honorable gift clean up. Ewo asaman kesi baby wo bia mitiano. Mami.
Yes darling.
Sem nukure etnasia yeka ekatro. So for mami program no it seems so baswa. Say ni din so for mami se ni kunti ana say asem bi wo no person kana kwa ti say okwa e beka ti bia so for mami. Ento mani ni asinda obi ase oka na say ono no na say tututu no nsa.
Na da bi o ti Addis Ababa border man of mami so me border man.
Ye mi kali say ebi a witness wo Ghana ha. Wo beti say obi aticho obi sikai. Obi abu obi apra obi serious no. Na ye sa asem wa mu kawe. Bema be mieni ni asi sa di oba asua adwuma hairdressing. Ordini sia pam. Oba ni nya wi adwuma no 2 years pe o se onim ni biem. Obi kofo obi wa kurasi di backline. E di ni be sia adwuma wie ama waye madam o fi se no mi mpa obiem. Nti e be na de ni asibiri obi aboa wo. Na se de adu ba bi na se wo si wo konya boga. Enti wo bua ni bia nti tembia no mani asana mi kai. Wo e journalist wo ni fadi kano. Tembia ba ti so obi apro obi akobi no. What do you need to
Aba for the awoken. Said the awoken, the end can one of my making. On was on Pelby Bianto, Majuadi and Auntie Wabichan.
Antinu say, only says I didn't me cut them my dear and they say, for be bas yaduma. I don't know before be bas yaduma. Now we are Casimir was yaduma and Semi Waru. There will be bas yaduma. You mean papa or no Casan Yaduma. And no one will be Babas Yaduma, one marina, what a teaching. Oh, yes, I say, Udi na su aduma.
So fam for you obi busa say ade ye papa wo wi ase ana. Wo ntimi nye papa na. Obi busa say ade wo ntimi nye papa na. Wo ni mu nyame ho. Wo ni sababu say me mre wo papa yo. Wo ntimi say so ye papa. Hello.
Hello, brother.
Yes, darling.
But I'm not about to do that. Never come into this house. Last week announcement is a mobile Achimota by tongue.
Ayo, me pacho. The entire young corner say, Ghana by Mrana Washington 1 hour. Me could do on Mokra. The bay, ye see, I actually. Your praises, your bear worship for Kakra. The really abompire about deliverance. You baby any abechi. What's your saying?
Don't know about that.
Me pacho ebeba to the key. I say inyamba o met me announce wa. Ye say Brian Anado o beti ase na ja mama ye kwan kakra. Corona never form kakra. What you say? This is here the nyina no. Share me wo prayer training so mo on Instagram na Facebook na nyina ye mompai. Because I also the nyame ye nyina wo ye na deliverance take place. E won confirm mama so amemfa amensa ngu won so. E so take place. E kofo nya breakthroughs bebre. Awo ne ade nyina wo so. Ntime pa chaw. E hu hia se nyame asem so soma na asem ne kosa yare. Osoma na asem ntime kotutu ahomone. Enti e hu hia se me de me nsa beto so direct. Baby awo bi asem ka asem no. Nyame won konkuru ta mechi wo de eja e de akire. Ti baby awo bi what you say? Hello, me bampa.
Peace be unto you.
I be and also to you, but one I'm the say.
For one or two reasons, my name is Reverend T and T.
Okay.
Now, let me help you out with this whole thing. You see, where I stand and where you stand.
Train where you in bra chile kakra.
Okay. Where I stand and then where you stand as ministers, helping people and taking advantage of them is a dangerous thing, and that happens to be one of the main reasons why people are having challenges in their marriages. In a sense that you met a man, you know you don't love the man. Why take from him? Then the person will help you to a point. Now you start telling him stories. And I'm a pebema or and I can say. Didn't you know that one from the beginning?
But my dear brother, what was a Jaumo in Miss Yes. Also, where you stand and where I also stand.
Yeah.
When him said there are a lot of times that when a person is looking for help, especially when it comes to the women, or a young person. And a bema when you wajmu da hona wishiano. Wishiano nimpa says a girlie. Wow crahunu you could see a girlie, so a pager on her owner. A buha one penny. That is
the point I'm driving at. Even the man who is saying that or boa barnacano, say this person, if you have to help the person without strings attached to it.
That is it.
But they will do it. Then they will later can me boana yes. I tell people that God gives people wealth to help other people that are less privileged. You understand? Because if God is going to give everybody wealth, who will work for who and who would help who?
But my dear brother Mpacho, I made this also yes for until I'm able to.
Yes.
Also, him says idea with is very much inevitable. Obi na mona wo hiamwa. Ne maame awu ne papa awu. Mo kwa ne maame ne papa nyina wo kura se wa be kura. Onya ba bi na. Likely so say all these scenarios we are talking about they are very real.
Yes. I know.
Me person we did some open me dey say wo abaso ntu dey jina so.
Yes.
Yeah, let's for some open mindedness being called.
Yes.
One man baby ada.
Yes.
Maybe from beginning, who decided say you were helping her?
Yes.
Anyone who said get need pager. Hey, sister is anyone for pa. And now when you are general hunting, wo buano.
Yes.
It is if you develop feelings for the person, so say
my dear, listen. I didn't hear from the beginning, but with you being cast and a beman sorry, I'm not very good at cheese, so let me box it up. And or you need that anything goes in the first place. Okay, I'm saying that it came from one of the callers. That's just what I'm saying. Okay. But what I'm saying here is once you see in your mind say Ababa way me buano. Now, it brings you blessings, no matter what.
Oh, I know there.
Yes.
Then the ocho will be crowd to which and move take a crouch and idea will bring you blessings. Every papa bia in any form bia it brings you blessings. But the miss me say I won't be so say.
Yeah.
Let's set this with it straight. Say.
Good.
And shed on your bonnet so say wabua will be nani pan who I offend up so warren. They make out say. It's at the same time so and said I'm so your bonnet so baby or so no swag more and as a wabuano it drew baby cry beginning now she thought said she loved you but it got to a point she realized that she didn't love you. It's just say it drew baby as a woo bear now so woo boy so I'm one and as a woo boy wapigan you also have to be a gentleman enough to bow out because who bet me drew baby who's bet make us a one penny and on also bet me drew baby on also bet make us a one penny.
Yes.
Sounds now also cry be a wood one way a wide and cowon pen or baby so as a brass said what worry me me.
Yes.
It's the person just in life, you know, at every point in time things could happen. Changes are bound to happen.
Sure.
It is will be feelings any idea or baby bet make a semi pill. A baby because on pelbium, or baby because on pel, a baby because on pelbium, baby because not come a pel, but say I'm in pelbium.
Yes,
it is man at every point in time. May and the end say, my boy and I could do baby no also permit. I don't know me among, and I say, maybe boy, dear, as a summer pel, and I may be one make a summer pel, dear, as a sound so pen. We should be open. We say, you know, who say,
you have to go both ways. Most of the time. I'm using my words advisedly.
Oh yeah.
Most of the time, people feel what they call help me finish my course.
Help me finish my course. So Papa no to CD. I know only one and I'll finish a course. No, they are not because of the nika.
That is where the point is.
Yeah, course we never pay. What a technical. What a career now for your course. You are still open here to us. And I'm just saying, of course, we are. At the end, you baby, I'm so says,
of what you and I make us say, if you are helping the person, you being the man, helping the person without strings attached to it. When you are Jesus, with the moment you can help the person, and then it will end up well.
Oh, baby,
baby, Mama me do better me do ya.
Nyamishrao. But no kwase me wo mu so se ya Samoa na bi ni ho including asofo mo anyina. Sa nkrofo na omoboa nipa. Bibia ni ho no sa mo na bi ni ho. Obia fa oba bi wo oboa na the strings attached. Ma me de tietia se woni nipa no ewo ho. Na wonim se wo boa no wo boa na keke. Say yi dia any honor no say nipa na kasa da chion ware wa anya big deal man but in most said the papeka in most na dodo na they take their pound of flesh whilst they are helping it's wa boa nipa no woni na da kopum so awie school awie wo se won san ware wo e no say papa wa je akatua ni nyina kakra ka ma me so me fan konko manage still wo se me ko di akire akọ we finish ni nyina wo se da bi wanyi dodo na fi akoya asembia wo hwe na wo pese wo ba bi bebu kwase ana so fele so pe oba no wo hwe no waware na enko boa no but me mumu die se be ma bi se wo boa in your predicament wo betimi di wako school wo betimi di wesu adwuma that's one no okuta disika no de ba de age na mu me san so atene round so aka te be ma bi ase wonim se oba no wo boa no na waware no enye automatic se o wie school a obeware and you automatic so we adwuma obewaro you automatic so kwa brochire obewaro you automatic so we nursing training obewaro eti dwen hu mienu because obetimi agya oja so ntimi nche no wo de ne fa yi wo de ne fa duabo kwan so a bible say duabo eni nyina so no enya adwuma enyina eti ha ho because wo ne nipa no adeda dada asana wawie ena wo san so obe ware no so won peniti wo so kobo ni dua nyame beku mum na wo ba na trans no bia ye ne wedding enti nyoma bi ho no man na fa ho nhyem wo bi na ohiamoa obia hiamoa no kwasam ye fifiri ehiafo fie obia hiamoa girls bebre wo ho no ma at their young ages grofo repiom it will be beye 25 na mema take advantage of her na also now what take advantage of her I remove my own na ya abortions bebre wanyi su kakra no we school so achenchina how just okọ ware no papa obi ho kra no wo yire chenchina wo so o ye get second wife adan Now be who say nipa no abɔ ne credit card no san so gyina so dem preach. Be who obi no te san so na o wayere dada. Na ne makura ye mpanifo chinchina obe ware gay and ware de akobɔ ni dua ne be kun ankasa nyame e be kun obekun amageli na obi akwa because obi ehun say the only time it was more than slavery. We said that you soon and akwala nti the only ye no wa fa nje no you soon sa na wo ne awie the only wie eti gay ne so won pɛ papa to ho ase ne pɛ baby fa enya sa dia wan so nim se wabusuafo wo makora hwe omo wie fasika no kɔhye ho na ade kɔbɔ obi dia hunu se enye likely se oba no wo be ware to me mama mo nya de ne te se de ya boa wo wa mo ani free tra ho sa wo tra ho aboa no free dia wo akora nim se wo ye manyame eni obi kwa kogi akatua no wo ba wonnim se wanya amanyame a wo yegu wa ya asinti enu ti no wani abre ade na ye wo de opeso kogi gade so ma wa wie eti wo so twa so na ko anim oba o so se be ma no mpena se de sof ma me kan kogi ni sika no fa unko school fa unko abrochire fa unko no wo bo ho ka wo hye udwa kakraka unko ahwe shopper wo ti ano shop ye gina afọ beba na mema foforo cars ne sisi ani mo ye ba bepe e ma ne ni mre ana na ho na afa aba church ne trousers ne ade ano ni obi ho ma wo ya enkoyie wonim so mpena enye ne hwe enye sa se de wo kan upegya da ko hwe ne se papa yi se de wo pegya ne ni di wachi so ne wo na da na so hwe se papa ne pese wo warewa pempanifuo bi na ne nko ho to ade ye kese fa ko che no ko da na se papa why are dear what? And why yes, I friend one friend of brow. Friend da. Ubed da. Who didn't da. So one case. Na again, because I said, I'm crying. This is friend me kwame. So did that. What happened, Grofo? No more than a siaka, yes, a damn power show. Meaning so yammy, I'll be what me. But no cause miss. First of all, my brain yammy. Oh, hear it. Means me no yes, how anyway, me power show. Abuame ade bia opese me yema obi ana so opese me tuama obi me tuama ba me srew me hye me se me ware wo because me ware wa wo wani nyeme so mani nkoje wo kasa wo hu se wa dream wo fie na wa anya ne se meja wa meja wo yi ani won koyo boni bibia be fine so for me patch on last person face
me da say we are no esisie enye ena nyame asem so no ebu adwene ene akomafo. Inti se obi eboa wenne na se owo strange attack curator enji sa emwane entumu mane nkwanenim na pre na twen ewrade esan se mere papa mu no obehye ne din anuonyam na wankwaji obi ade na ekina yambedan woka da bi obu obi kwasia ena ekina obi nso adibi ebeyew enti ne awon pese ede beyew enne no emfa enyo obi dwene adwen papa ema wonua na wapre akokan na de bia wodi nkunim e wa brabo yi
dwen kokan dwen papa na nso wati adisa pacho
me ni ameka ne se obi wo ye bema wo ye oba obi eba wa kwa mo se bia mani mema de mostly empna twem na ya eba kasa. I believe in communication. When in trance, oh, this is idea, you know, are you well to a point, you sit down. Oh, of course, Wakazi saying that is not the end. So I catch you until when in the bed trance, when in the baby son is you, until idea we menu. What is the condition? What are the conditions? Do you know? We are saying the future is unknown.
Now sabre no kwa oba no kwa no wanyi wo nyansa sa no watimi aga de future obo ebe hu kwa wo se kra sei wo se nyina hye wo kra wo se kan ya wo pieto ya he afi na abe yi
yes
ebe de ma me kona se de abo ya hwe ne o ye ne nimu
asema me kan very important but
we pieto ne ya ko ne
what are you talking about? Everybody needs help.
Adian waka
You need help.
Wo be ko amoma me comment ni me pa mo cho Lodu Vika Asma I say good evening dear. I'm watching you live from Italy. Nice program, okay? My 3 minutes. Why? And Tyrus Glover, my son. I was watching you, mom. Hey, I can see you, my guy. And Daniel Agometo was a very nice topic. We thank God. And I asked myself, if you don't take time, the person will curse you. So please don't try it. Curse you, dear Muti Akono Dene, Antoine, your man, your mama, who dear, yeah, soon yame. Well, Jacob be a drew. Akonan will be so poor, and any panels of meanings. I have video, no, we are, and then Instagram. or call or say or friend again or say I mean you when I told you I love you, you said you didn't love me. I'm in my hometown, eh? So I will see you very soon. And I think we're saying the same thing again is but people shouldn't expect anything in return for doing good. It is very true. But it will be answered you my papa. Or expect BB. I really support it of Mame, okay? Ghana Judas will say thank you. And if you really mean to do good, do it without expecting anything. Meda for ene hanom ne yede adwumadi ne yede esi nyame insha so ojebre na ode ehwe ye na utie ye nyame insha papa pa e family di reverend mama ebosi do ne insha ewo my Instagram page the official Reverend Gold, the official Reverend Gold, and no na here to say I'm a new Instagram name, Pacho. Ubetimi alcohol na wahwehwe me. E wo Facebook also the prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold, the prayer train with Reverend Mami Gold. Every night, every midnight be at 12 midnight be ada. Ye dem pa bo hwehwe so ye kire nya ye kanya me asem, ye wi ayegire mu abom pa yen se chani bebre. Enya ho na ntra honom. Nyame sha so Mami Jean, me da se nyame sha Odi woni adisa baba ntokwa ide adisa nyame enhyirawo ansa na nipa wo a mechinchim afidie nyina maame abrantie baako shine akwa wono na hu no ha ansa na Jamestown J Co ono so echinchim na wotimi ehu me ewo Facebook nyame enhyirawo se so de bia wo chepere na wo hwe I'm out nyame Adom next week yet another beautiful topic the baba na yasan so discuss nyame enhyira papa me number 0207 939870 0207 939870 Nyamisha.
My dear,
yes, sweetie.
And then my mummy saw.
Oh, be some baby.
So dumb a pan.
Now,
you may soup and pan.